Seniors, beware. 2025 has brought new legal and financial changes that could quietly cost you thousands. If you're retired or planning to be soon, these updates matter more than you think. Today, we're breaking down OAS clawbacks, GIS thresholds, tax penalties, and the hidden traps most Canadians never see coming. Stick around until the end, because I'll show you the everyday financial moves that seem harmless but can wipe out a full year of benefits. Old age security is the foundation of retirement income for most Canadians. In 2025, the clawback threshold rose to $93,454 of net world income. That might sound generous, but once you cross that line, you lose 15 cents of OAS for every extra dollar. By the time your income reaches about $151,680 if you're under 75, or $157,923 if you're 75 or older, your OAS is gone. And remember, this isn't just about a paycheck. RRF withdrawals, capital gains from selling investments, or even cashing in a GIC all count toward that threshold. Yes, there's a small increase this year. OAS payments are set to rise by about 0.7% in October, which brings monthly benefits to around $740 for ages 65 to 74 and just over $814 for those over 75. But that extra bump won't help much if you've already triggered a clawback. Now let's talk about the other end of the income scale, the Guaranteed Income Supplement. GIS is a lifeline for low-income seniors, but the eligibility caps are strict. In 2025, a single senior must have income under $22,440 and couples under $53,808 combined. Seniors between 60 and 64 may also qualify for the federal allowance or allowance for the survivor, depending on marital status and income. Here's the trap. You must file your taxes every year, even if you had no income. Miss the April 30th deadline, and GIS payments can stop. Provinces like British Columbia also offer extra supplements, up to $220 per month for couples, but only if your records are up to date. Taxes are another minefield in 2025. The TFSA contribution limit is $7,000, with lifetime room for long-time residents now around $123,000. RRSP contribution limits are over $31,000. Tax brackets have been adjusted for inflation, but that doesn't mean you're safe. If your income sits near the OAS clawback line, small one-time gains can push you into higher effective tax rates. To make matters worse, the CRA has cracked down on late filers. The penalty is now 10% of the balance owed, plus 2% for every month you're late, up to 20 months. That's a financial sinkhole if you're not paying attention. The biggest danger for most seniors isn't regular income, it's hidden triggers. Selling a vacation property, redeeming investments, or inheriting money can all count as taxable income in the wrong year. Imagine selling a property and realizing a $30,000 gain. That single move could cost you $4,500 in lost OAS. But if you spread the sale across 2 tax years, you keep most of your benefit. Timing is everything. So how do you protect yourself? Here are the strategies that matter. First, manage your income in smaller slices. Spread out RRIF withdrawals and capital gains across multiple years. Second, use your TFSA aggressively, since withdrawals don't count toward income tests. Third, consider delaying OAS. Each month past, age 65 adds 0.6% to your payment, up to a 36% increase at age 70. Fourth, split pension income with your spouse to bring both partners below clawback thresholds. Fifth, file your taxes on time, no matter what. And finally, keep tabs on provincial programs, since many add automatic supplements if your federal benefits are current. The bottom line is simple. In 2025, even small financial decisions can have massive consequences for seniors. A harmless sale or withdrawal can erase thousands in guaranteed payments if you're not careful. By managing your income smartly, using tax-free accounts, and planning the timing of withdrawals, you can protect what you've earned. If you found this helpful, subscribe and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Staying informed is your best defense, and your retirement deserves nothing less.